Now students will read the first conditional sentences. First conditional sentences are also known as a probable conditional. Probable mean a possibility and possibility mean imkanat. So it means that if you have possibility or probability of anything, then you will use this formula. You can say this, these sentences are mostly used for speculation of any task. When you speculate or you suppose that this thing might be happen, in this case you will say yes, this is probable conditional sentence. So in first conditional sentences you have this condition, अगर वह मेहनत करेगा तो पास हो जाएगा, अगर वो मेहनत करेगा तो पास हो जाएगा. The both clause of this sentence is ending at ga and ga. मेहनत करेगा पास हो जाएगा. What is the example of the probable condition sentence? This is, if he comes to me I will help him. अगर वो मेरे पास आएगा मैं उसकी मदद करूँगा. In the first half there are two clauses in this sentence. In the first clause you have अगर वो मेरे पास आएगा, and the second clause is तो मैं उसकी मदद करूँगा. In both of the clauses you find out the possibility, means अगर वो ऐसा कर लेगा तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. This is possibility, this is probability. So if he comes to me I will help him. If he comes to me, this is if clause, and I will help him, this is main clause. In if clause you will use if plus he comes to me, and in second clause you will do here I will help him. It means that in this first clause you will do if plus subject plus first form of the verb and asterisks. It means that in the first clause you are using present indefinite tense, and in the second clause you will use subject plus will plus first form of the verb. It means that in the second clause you are putting the future indefinite tense. So in the probable condition, in the first conditional sentences, then you will use, in first clause you will use present indefinite tense, and in second clause you will use future indefinite tense. So this is all about the first conditional sentences. If you find out any tense or any sentence like this, अगर वो मेहनत करेगा वो पास हो जाएगा, then you will say if he works hard he will pass. The first half part will be of present indefinite tense and second half part will be of future indefinite tense. This is the condition about the first conditional sentence. If you fulfill this demand, then your sentence will be right. Now we'll move toward the second conditional sentences or improbable condition. Second conditional sentences are also known as improbable condition. What does mean by improbable? Improbable mean when you have little chances or there is a little possibility or there is no possibility, then you will be improbable. So imkanat na hona means improbable. These sentences are mostly used for speculation of any difficult task. It means that in these type of sentence you know that this thing will not be happen, but you just guess for, you expect for that type of things. आप जानते होते हैं कि ये चीज़ नहीं होगी या ये इस चीज़ के चांसेस बहुत कम है, ये रेयर है, but you still wish for that thing. So for these type of sentences you will write down or you will use a formula of second conditional or improbable conditional sentence. In second conditional sentences you have this example, अगर उसने मेहनत की तो पास हो जाएगा, अगर उसने मेहनत की तो पास हो जाएगा. It means that first clause is ending at अलिफ छोटी है बड़ी है and second clause is ending at गा गी गे. Sentences. For example we have here, if he requested me I would help him. अगर वो मुझे दरख्वास्त करेगा तो मैं उसकी मदद करूँगा. It means that there is little chances that he will request, but but I'm saying that if he would request, I will help me. It means that in first clause, in if clause, you are using the second form, and in main clause and in the second clause you are using the would plus first form. So what will be the formula of this improbable condition? This will be if plus subject plus second form of the verb. This is first clause. First clause will be of past indefinite tense, and second clause will be subject plus would plus first form of the verb. It means that in the improbable condition sentences, you will use the formula. In the first clause you will use past indefinite tense, and in the second clause you will use would plus first form of the verb, and your sentence will be translated. Okay, now we'll move toward the third conditional sentences. This is impossible condition. These sentences are mostly used for speculation of any impossible task. It means that this is a condition in which you can't do anything. This is impossible condition and the time has been passed. वक्त गुजर चुका है और अब कुछ किया नहीं जा सकता. There is no use crying over spilt milk. So अब पछताए क्या हो जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत. It means that this is impossible condition. For impossible condition sentences you will use this formula of impossible conditional sentences. Example of the third conditional sentence is अगर उसने मेहनत की होती तो पास हो जाता. इट मीन्स दैट इन थर्ड कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस यू विल फाइंड आउट दैट टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. ये काम किया होता तो वैसा हो जाता, खाना खाया होता तो सेहतमंद हो जाता. तो फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस यू विल से दिस आर थर्ड कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस.